What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today, well, I'm in the BMW right now, and I've had this sitting in the car for a while, and I finally figured out, we should open it. I ended up going to Kies Motorsports and getting their Wi-Fi adapter. I kind of wanted to have one adapter to use for any software I was interested using on the BMW, whether it was boot mode 3, MHD, beamer codes, or what do you call it, beamer link or beamer code, XHP, their flash tool. So they gave us a little jet tag for Kies. That's cool. It's nice of them. Yep, so they gave us a jet tag, so that's cool. And in the box, you'll receive the adapter. It does not come with the cable. If you wanted to hardwire it to like a laptop or something, but it will work with your phone. From Kies Motorsports, it gives you the password for the Wi-Fi and a network ID on the back of it. So you can log in. It is a Wi-Fi, so the cool option is that you could use Wi-Fi or an actual plug-in cable. I guess it's gonna be like a RJ45. Looks like it's like an Ethernet cable, so I guess you would need to a USB or something if you wanted to use your computer. The cool thing, like I was talking about before, is that there's a lot of different softwares that it is compatible with. The one that I got is for, let's see here. This is for the F series and I think the G series. So this adapter is good for the F and G series, BMW Mini, and the A90 and A91 Toyota Supra. Pretty much it allows you to only need one of these instead of having a whole bunch of different ones for each of the different manufacturers, whether it's MHD, boot mode, beamer link, beamer code, all those different softwares. You just have one. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you could just use your iPhone or your Android devices. I believe it's fully functional for Apple devices, but I believe certain Androids, there are limitations to what you can do. You would have to look into it. If you are an Android user, I would say check out Kies Motorsports and see if it will work for your application. I'm looking forward to using it. I just want to do a quick video unboxing it. I think we're going to get right into it and start throwing some videos up on doing some coding on the BMW with beamer codes. Or I think it's either beamer codes or beamer link is what I want to try. I think beamer code is what we're going to use, because there's some little things like the trunk not being able to close with the button, adjusting when the mirror is closing, either doing it with a lock and unlock, being able to see the tire pressure and temperature on the screen instead of it just being green. So look forward to that, and that'll be in a video coming up soon. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.